Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. In today's video, I'm going to finish the Techno from start to finish series 3. And in today's video, I'm going to master the track. So we did the mixing in 2 parts. We did the composition, the mixing, and now is the final stage, let's say, which is mastering. And in this video, I'm going to give you some general ideas on how you can finish and master your tracks to get a better end result, basically. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notification so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member, and you will have access to premium videos with the videos without cuts. And usually every video is like 15 minutes, so you will have a ton of content, and you will also be able to download the stems or the track out so that you can practice at home, and exclusive sample packs and project files. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and switch to FL Studio. So this is what we have so far. This is the track. I made a selection already, and we are going to work on the main drop because it's the biggest part of the track. And as you can hear, it has a lot of energy. So the idea is everything is mixed now. We have to pretty much do some mastering here. And I have here my mastering preset. And let's go over it so that I can show you what I usually do for my mastering. And every track is different. So this is the general rule of the stuff that I have, but every track usually it's different. So what I like to have is any type of spectrogram or visual analyzer so that I can see if my track is well balanced or not. As you can see, it's pretty much okay. Maybe we have to boost around this area, and here it's okay. The bass is also okay, and yeah, we can check this frequency here, this peak. But mainly I will probably want to increase a little bit of this area, 200 to 2000 to 4000, up to 8000 maybe. So let's first go through what I usually do here. So the first thing is have this Fruity EQ, Parametric EQ2, and basically we are just cutting the low frequencies and the high frequencies. So this EQ only serves to cut the low frequencies that I cannot hear, and the higher frequencies that our human ears cannot hear or listen to. Then we have this patcher, and this patcher is the mid-side EQ. As you can see, we can mute this path, and we only have the mid or the side, and we can mute the side and only have the mid. So this is quite nice so that I can see what I have in my side in the stereo field. And usually I like to apply a low pass filter, even though here is not that bad, but I like to roll up a little bit. And this is a very gentle EQ or a gentle high pass filter. So I can roll quite a bit, and you will see that it's not very extreme, but you can see that we already removed all of this information here. And if we see this information is not very helpful to the track in terms of having mono or bass information in the stereo field. I usually like to roll up a little bit of the high frequencies so that the bass stays mono, so that we have a stronger mono transparency, if that's a word. And this is around 700. Yeah, this boost here. So let's keep it like that. I want to keep this one as general as possible. Then we have splitEnhancer. I like to apply a little bit of splitEnhancer above 4K. It depends, usually 5 to 4K, and just add a little bit. It adds a little bit of crunchiness to the high frequencies. Then we have here the Frame Tape Stereo. And this one, it allows to round up the basses or the bass frequencies, because it's tape emulation, so that gives a little bit of nice saturation to the bass. So I like to keep the noise and the whoa flutter all the way off and start adding a little bit of bass. Let's see without. Okay, I like it. And then we have here the maximizer. I think this is too much. So what I like to do is go back a little bit. You can see we have like -1 dB of compression. Let's see without the equalization. I like it. So there is one thing that I want to check out, which is here, maybe the bass, this bass thing here. Maybe I want to keep some of the bass. I don't want to lose it all. I think that's the only thing that I want to check out. Maybe here in the transition. There's something else here also, which I don't actually enjoy that much. I think it's this one here. Yeah, so it starts really well. Then it ends abruptly. And I think this is only a note, so what I can do, because this should be something like this, or yeah, let's see if this works. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, I think that's enough. Maybe we can put this one here. Yeah, this way is always constant. There's no abrupt, sudden breaks in the sound. It's always the same thing. Maybe less here, but here we have the build up. So it's okay to have that. Where is it? That small piece there. Let's see. More gain. It was a 15, but we have -2 dBs, which I think it's okay, and the track is already compressed enough, and we don't need to squash it all the way through. Okay, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any suggestions, just leave me a comment and I will listen to. And if it's something out of the blue, I might not do something like that for future series. But if it's something that if you like an artist and you would like to have or see how to make a track related or in the same style as that artist, maybe you can drop me some artists in the links below, and I can start looking for their songs or tracks and then start listening to and try to produce in that style. And I think this is it, guys. In the next maybe on Saturday I will publish this track, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I have other videos showing how to do video clips in ZGame Visualizer, so I'm not going through everything again. I will leave the video for my premium members and they will be able to see it, but the rest I'm just going to publish the track on Saturday and you will be able to listen to it in the complete state and the final state. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this series as I did. And if you are new here to this channel, subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member and you'll have access to the full tutorials, which is like, this one is right now 33 minutes. Usually it's like 15 minutes of content and I show you pretty much everything that I do without cuts and all my mindsets behind it. And you will also be able to download the track out so that you can follow along and mix the tracks by yourself to get some practice and project files and also exclusive sample packs. This is it. My name is Tiago Duarte and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.